Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Freshdesk on Windows laptop, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your Windows laptop. In the address bar, type in the URL for Freshdesk. Press enter to navigate to the Freshdesk login page. You will see the login interface. Look for the email field on the page. Click in the email field to activate it. Type your registered email address. Next, locate the password field below the email. Click in the password field. Enter your password associated with your account. Once both fields are filled in, review your entries for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Now, find the Login button. Click on the Login button to submit your credentials. Wait a moment for the page to load. If your email and password are correct, you will be directed to your Freshdesk dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your email and password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, explore the dashboard features available to you. You have successfully logged into Freshdesk on your Windows laptop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.